Welcome back from a short commercial break. Now we are continuing with examples about equations with ratios. Now, an example goes like if they give you equation, solve the equations. Solve the equations. Like they say, equation 1 is x plus 4z out of 4 equals y plus z out of y plus z out of 4, then must be equal to the 3x plus y out of 5. So this one is out of 6. And they give you another equation which is 4x plus 2y plus 5z equals 30. So they say solve those equations. By solving that, they mean that they want you to get the value of x, y, and z. So how do we get that one? What we have to do, we first get what we do, since everything is equal to this one, we say we first by let x plus 4z out of 4 equals y plus z out of 6 equals 3x plus y out of 5 must be equal to the k, which is a constant. So now for that case, when we reach here, now for this case, we are going to add. We add the denominators alone and the numerators alone. Here it means that you get this one, add it to this, also divide by this one plus this must be equal to the constant. So for this case, we say it is x plus 4z, then plus y plus 2, this is z, then equals, it is plus 3x plus y, then divided by, what you do up, you do it also down, which is 4 plus 6 plus the 5. This one must give us the k. So by doing this, that means we want to get the value of k. We want to get the value of k from this. So now we collect the like terms, then we solve. So it is this one plus this, you get 4x. So then it is y plus this one, you get, that is plus 2y. Then this one plus this, which is plus 5z out of this one. When you add them, you get 15 must be equal to k. So, but here, in this question also, they gave us that 4x plus 2y plus 5z equals 30. And we see here we have got something in form of this. So that means where there is this one, we put in the 30. So now for that case, it will be 30 out of 15 equals k. Then from there, k will be our what? Will be 2. So after getting k as 2, then remember we said let this one be equal to k. So we need now to get the values of x, y, and z. So after getting k equals 2, so you say x plus 4z out of 4 equals y plus z out of 6 equals 3 plus y. It is 3x plus y out of 5 equals 2. So by doing this, that means I'm going to equate everything to 2. So it will be x plus 4z out of 4 equals 2. So from here you can multiply. You get it in terms of x plus 4z equals 8. Call this one equation A. Then also get another one, which is 6, which is y plus z equals 6. Out of 6 equals a 2. From there also cross multiply, get the y plus z to be equal to 12. So this one, call it equation B. Also deal with the other one, which is 3x plus y out of 5 must give us 2. So also cross multiply on this. So you say that it is 3x plus y equals 10. That is equation C. Then after getting this, try to solve equation A with B. A and B. So we are going to use, we can use substitution. We are going to make equation P, we make y the subject, we make, no, we are making z the subject. Since we have this side z, we make z the subject. So from B, you find that the z will be equal to 12 minus y. So by taking this one this side. So from there, substitute in the equation A. So the x plus 4 into z, which is 12 minus y, must give us 8. So this one becomes x plus this one times this, which is 48. So minus 4 y give us 8. So then we have x minus 4 minus 4y. This one gives us, by taking the 48 this side, we shall have the 8 minus 48, which is negative 40, as the other equation. Called this one equation D. Then solve this one and this one simultaneously. Since this one is form of x and y, also this one x and y, then they can be solved simultaneously. So we are solving this one and the other one simultaneously, whereby the other one is 3x plus y equals 10. Then the other one is using x plus 4y. It is minus 4y equals negative 40. So what we do, I'm going to eliminate y here by multiplying this one by 4, this side by 1. So when I multiply this one by 4 and 1, here I will have 12x. This one becomes plus 4y equals 40. So for the other case, when I multiply it, will remain the same as x minus 4y and equals negative 40. So by having this, we are seeing that we have something common here, which is this one and this. So what we can do, we can just add. We can add, since these signs are not the same on that. So we say we add, it is plus. So this one and this, it will give us this one as 13x equals, this one will be 0. So when you add this one also, we get a 0. So our x will be 0. So after getting x as 0, substitute in either the equation D or the C, and you get the value of y. So putting here the value of x, you find that when you put x in C, in equation C, you find that a 3x plus y equals 0. By putting here the value of x as 0, you find that y equals 10. So you can prove where your answer is correct also by substituting the value in the one of d. You find that when you put in d, you find that it is x minus 4y equals negative 10, negative 40. So this one is 0, the x is 0, so you have negative 4y equals negative 40. So our y will be equal to 10. So it will be the same. So after getting y as 10 and x as 0, substitute in the other equation, in equation y, or in the equation b or a, equation a or b, get the value of z. So from b we say the y plus z equals 12. So when you put in the value of z, when you put in the value of y, which is 10, you get z. So it will be 10 plus z equals 12. By taking this on this side, z will be a 2. So if you want to prove that is correct also, you can put in equation a by putting in the value of x. X is 0. We find that it is x plus 4, z equals 8. By putting in the x as 0, we find that you remain with 4z equals 8. By dividing both sides by 4, we have that z equals 2. Then from there you have to conclude. You say therefore, you have to conclude, you say therefore x equals 0, y equals 10, and z equals 2. Then from there you have finished the equation. I think we are ending there.